Can you sell enough STL files to buy a Bambu X1 Carbon? This is my journey to find out. So here are my sales for this week. So last week I had a total of 886 sales, and this week I have 920. That makes it a total of 34 sales this week, which is fantastic. Thank you all. So I put in the numbers in the spreadsheet and it comes up to 106.35 euros, which brings us to 999.71 euros. Now I had someone write me on Instagram and tell me that the price of the Bambu is actually higher than what I've put in my spreadsheet. So I had to adjust it because the taxes are not included, which I thought they were. So we have a new number we have to reach, which is somewhat higher, but I think we'll get there still. So it's 1369 euros for the Bambu, and then the European tax comes onto it for 378 euros, which means I still have 747 to go, but we're still getting there, and I'm really super happy that we are almost at 1,000 euros. I know it's a bit of setback with the taxes and all, but I wasn't aware of it, so it had to be added into there. But let's look at what I sold this. A Easter Buns, a Flying Baby Axolotl, a Hocus and Pocus Batcat. I sold a Foxy, 3 Kingfisher Flexies, 1 Valentine's Heart, 3 Nuggets, I think, 2 Love Serpents. I sold 4 Leprechauns in a hat, 1 Whole Lotta Dragon, a Whole Lotta Dragon commercial, a commercial of Hocus and Pocus, sold a Derpy Bat, 4 Clovers, a commercial version of Clover, sold 2 commercial versions of Leprechauns in a hat, I sold 1 Wiggly Harbot Corgi, sold 2 of my new surprise bouquet, and I sold 2 Birthday Dragon customizables. And just to advertise just a bit more, the new surprise bouquet or bucket is still free until tomorrow evening, so go grab it while you can for free for personal use. See you next week!